Think about the last video you watched on TikTok or Instagram that truly stopped your thumb. It wasn't just the person in the video or the music. It was the movement. There is a specific, buttery smooth quality to high-end cinematography that your brain instantly recognizes as professional. For years, that look was expensive. It required heavy rigs, complicated setups, and a crew. But today, something is happening in the world of mobile filmmaking that is making the big guys in Hollywood very nervous. I'm holding the DJI Osmo Mobile 8P. And if you think this is just another selfie stick with a motor, you are about to be proven very, very wrong. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The story of the smartphone gimbal has been a slow burn. We went from bulky prototypes to the sleek Osmo Mobile 6 and 7. But the Osmo Mobile 8, and specifically the new 8 Pro model, is a different beast entirely. It represents the moment DJI stopped trying to make a stabilizer and started making an AI director. Today, we're going to look past the marketing hype. We are going to talk about the 360-degree unlimited rotation that finally kills the gimbal's biggest weakness. We're going to talk about ActiveTrack 8.0, an AI system so advanced it can distinguish between your face and a poster of your face. And most importantly, we're going to answer the question, is the Osmo Mobile 8 the death of the mirrorless camera for 90% of creators? If you're a creator in the US trying to grow a brand in 2026, you cannot ignore this. Because the difference between a video that goes viral and a video that gets ignored often comes down to the 3 inches of silicon and motors I'm about to show you. Let's start with the unlimited factor. For years, every smartphone gimbal had a dead zone. You'd be tracking a subject, they'd walk behind you, and clunk, the motor would hit its limit and the shot was ruined. The Osmo Mobile 8 finally solves this. It features a 360-degree unlimited pan axis. This isn't just a technical spec, it's a creative explosion. It means you can do infinite vortex shots. It means you can set this on a tripod in the middle of a room, and it will follow you in a perfect circle forever. For solo creators, this is like having a dedicated cameraman who never gets tired and never misses a shot. But the real magic isn't in the motors, it's in the brain. ActiveTrack 8.0 is the headline here. DJI has integrated deep learning algorithms that are significantly ahead of anything we've seen in the smartphone space. In our testing, we took this into a crowded subway station in New York. We locked onto a subject wearing a red hat. They walked behind pillars, they were blocked by other people, they even turned their back to the camera. The Osmo Mobile 8 didn't lose them. It uses predictive path modeling to guess where you're going even when it can't see you. This is a level of reliability that changes how you film. You no longer have to watch the watcher. You can focus on your performance, knowing the gimbal has your back. Now, let's talk about the Pro in the 8P model. DJI did something radical this year. They introduced a detachable display module. For the first time, you have a screen on the gimbal handle itself that shows you exactly what the camera sees. But here's the kicker, you can pop that screen off. It becomes a remote control with a view.